Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS4 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor on the back right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay. Now let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. So let's wait until it turns off, like this, and then wake it up by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu, and here you should see this icon right here, the blood droplet with the 2 next to it. That's the blood oxygen widget. Tap on it to open the widget. Now I'm gonna place my finger on the sensor, and we can tap on the start measuring button to start the measurement. Remember to keep still, don't move around. And after a couple of seconds, you should have your result. Here we have the blood oxygen level and also the heart rate. If you want to measure it again, simply tap on measure again button. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back. Just press it a couple of times to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.